The repair algorithm have been upgraded, and all of the functions have been reorganized under the Repair tab. You can use error detection to find out the errors of your loaded model, and then go to Model Repair to fix all the errors. It includes a few different tools such as Basic Repair, Close Trivial Holes, Close All Holes, Orientation Repair, and Code Other Surface. You can also go to Triangle Repair to fix the model on a triangle basis. It allows you to add new triangle, delete existing triangle, or reverse triangles. If you zoom into the model, you can see the model is now displayed in triangle mode. Advanced Repair use more advanced algorithm, and you can try and fix the model if basic repair functions cannot fix it.